Hi everyone! So, oh my god, I'm doing an actual people person set of nails. Shock horror. So, this is my cousin. She was my first set of nails back after the year that was. So I've applied some tips. I'm then coming in with my dehydrator, and then my prep, and then I'm going to get on with the design work. So starting on the pinky finger, and I'm going to come in and I'm going to apply my thin clear base. I do this with pretty much all of my nails so that when she comes back for her redesign, I can easily go back down to that thin clear base and create a new design. Coming in strong, we're going to go straight for French. So I'm going to place a bead of my cover pink where I want the tip of that smile line to be, and then I'm going to blend it back, and then I'm going to crisp up that smile line using my brush to create a nice crisp wall. Then when I'm happy with that, I'm going to come in with my second bead of cover pink, place it by the cuticle area, and then I'm going to blend forward, making sure I've got that really nice blend at the cuticle. Then I'm going to leave that to set while I move on to the next nails. So again, I'm applying a thin clear base. Then I'm coming in with this super dark purple, and this is called Obsession, and this is from HD Pro. So I'm placing that right at the tip, and then I'm going to blend that up. Then coming in with my cover pink, placing that by the cuticle area and blending down. I honestly can't remember what cover pink I used on her nails. It was like 2 weeks ago I did them. I want to say it's Rosey Peach from HD Pro. I'll write in the description below. I'll remind myself. So I'm just applying that by the cuticle area and blending down to create that ombre. Then using a small bead of clear acrylic to pick up this superfine glitter Viola, because I want quite a thick line of this. And then I'm just blending it out up and down. Sorry, the camera kept, again, this was the first video I filmed in like a year, so it's a bit all over the place. You get the gist, sorry guys. So I'm just blending out that glitter. So I've got a nice fade between it all. Then moving on to the next nail. No, we're not. We're going to cap this one while I'm there because it's set into place. You know when you go to voiceover video and you did the nails ages ago and you just can't remember what you did? It's one of those days. So I'm going to cap this in clear acrylic, making sure all that glitter goes nice and matte so we know it's encapsulated. And now we're moving on to the next nail. So I'm applying that thin clear base, and then I'm going to do a full glitter nail using that Viola glitter. My hands, as you can see, are ridiculously dry. They are looking so awful. You know, there's been a pandemic and more alcohol has gone through my hands than through my mouth in this time. So they just look really weathered and beaten. Sorry, it is how it is. So if it's upsetting you, just stop watching. You don't need to comment. Thanks. Bye, chills. So I'm just using small beads of clear acrylic to pick up that glitter, placing it on the nail, making sure I've got a nice coverage, and then getting another bead and adding some more. And then moving on to the next nail, again applying that thin clear base, and then I'm going to do a full cover pink nail here. This because I'm going to do a textured design that Shelley shared recently as a step-by-step on the website. So once I've applied that thin clear base, I'm then coming in and creating all that shape and structure with my cover pink. And then onto the thumb, I'm applying that thin clear base. Then coming in with cover pink at the cuticle area, I'm going to blend that down, and then I'm going to place some glitter on the tip and blend up. Going back to that pinky finger, using my fresh file to file in that smile line, making sure it's nice and crisp. And then I'm going to come in with that super deep purple Obsession. I'm going to place it at the tip, blend it up. Obviously remember to dust in between so you haven't got any dust on your smile line. And then I'm just going to cap those few nails that I haven't done as I've been working along, making sure all of that glitter goes nice and matte so I know it's all encapsulated, and then I'll file in. So now I'm filing in those nails. I did it sped up because it's always the same. And I managed to very beautifully get out of shot for most of this, so I apologise. So most of this you just basically look at her knuckles. My apologies. So I'm going to file them all in, and then I'm going to apply my top coat. So starting with the nude nail, I'm applying top coat, and I am using a matte top coat on this nail because I'm going to do a textured nail design with the glitter. And then the other nails I'm using a high shine top coat. And then once it's all cured, I'm using my art gel. This is HD Pro art gel. I'm pretty sure this is aubergine. I will check, it will be in the description below. And I'm just creating these lines up and down the nails. As I said, Shelley did a beautiful step-by-step. It's on the website, misslucies.co.uk, and she did that recently using 3 different coloured glitters. But I just wanted to do just a really quick, simple version of it using just the one. So I'm just going to finish off creating that design. Then when I'm happy with it, I'm going to use just a little pop stick and sprinkle that glitter over that gel. Tap off any excess, and then you're going to pop this in the lamp, and I always do a double cure with things like this. So that goes in the lamp for 120 seconds. When it's done, dusting off that excess glitter, and we're finished. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!